Peace. This is Baba Kilindi. Welcome you all to this Go Live. What this is about is tomorrow we're having a mushroom cultivation workshop. People ask me about mushrooms all the time, and I say that to understand mushrooms, you have to grow your own. And by coming to the workshop, you get a chance to learn the ins and outs of growing your own so that you can be perpetual. In other words, you won't have to buy any mushrooms from anybody. You can grow your own in the comfort of your own home. So you have to inbox me, and if you're interested in mushrooms and the things that I'm talking about on YouTube and Vimeo and all the different conferences and things like that, then you have to get in this workshop. Now, this is only for folks in the Detroit area. And surrounding suburbs and things like that. So if you are interested, it only makes sense that you go ahead and join in on the workshop and learn how to do it yourself, so you don't have to be hooked to anybody else as far as what you want to do and the things you're trying to do. So that's all I have to say, really. It's not a big deal or anything like that. It's only for the folks who are in the know, because many folks aren't in the know. And once we get a chance to be able to, grow our own and do what we need to do ourselves, we don't need anybody to be the person that we go to get the information that we need. So, hey, it's tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Got a few spaces left. Get in while you can. Peace.